A global war is underway. The fight is to control the future of innovation. The winner will decide who sells you your next smartphone, your next computer, even your next smart car. In fact, this is much bigger than devices and gadgets. This war will also decide future wars. It will dictate where countries buy their weapons from and where they get their vaccine supplies from. Any unique product that you buy in the market will be affected by the outcome of this war that we're talking about. We're talking about the fight over patents. The one who gets the patent gets the monopoly on a product, which is why companies and countries fight to own patents. And one country, it seems, is racing ahead of others, beating the so-called traditional powerhouses of innovation. The country in question is China. China is now hoarding patents. This comes from the World Intellectual Property Organization. It is an agency of the United Nations. It has released its annual numbers, and for the second year in a row, China has filed more patents than any other country. It is the biggest source of international patent applications. The pandemic did not kill China's appetite for patents. It filed close to 70,000 applications in 2020. 70,000, 70. What about the others? The United States filed almost 60,000 patents in the last 1 year. Until 2 years back, it topped the list. Now it ranks number 2 on the global list. And here's something else that's worth noting. Huawei remains the biggest single patent filer under the United Nations system for the 4th consecutive year. What does this mean? Has America lost its edge in innovation? It appears so. But is China really getting ahead? Well, we're not quite sure. As always with China, there's more to the story than meets the eye. So here it is. You see, the number of patents filed is just one yardstick to measure innovation. It's not the only one. Year after year now, China tops the list when it comes to the sheer number of patents registered. But that is no guarantee, really, of innovation in China. According to a report in 2019, China has 3 types of patents: invention, utility, and design. Now, critics say most Chinese patent applications are graded utility, which means that they're not as rigorously examined as higher grade invention patents. One lawyer believes not everything that comes out of China is of high quality. Well, we've known that for a while now here in India. China emphasizes on quantity, not on quality. One think tank says China has not yet matched the innovation level of other leading economies. But it still wants to be a technology superpower. And it is making a big push to get there. Whether it's a light bulb or 5G, China wants to make sure that made in China products become the only acceptable standard worldwide. In February, officials from China were leading at least 4 global standard organizations. This includes the International Telecommunication Union. It's a United Nations body that governs phone and internet connectivity the world over. It's a body that will define how the next generation of technologies like 5G will operate. China wants to have a say in such decisions. So where do patents come in this? Here's what the plan looks like. First, China gets a product patented. Then it pushes for that product to become the global standard. So only China will be able to make and sell it. And you will only have to use that standard product. Needless to say, there's big money to be made here. Global standards are based on patented technology. Those who adopt such standards have to pay licensing fees to the patent owner. So China is basically pushing its companies to register more patents. The government offers incentives for this. Just by filing patents, Chinese companies can get cash bonuses. They can get subsidies, even a lower tax rate. This should explain why Chinese companies are rushing to get their patents in place. What's in it for the government? Power and money. Beijing wants to dictate the international standard and earn money from licensing. Such a situation would make it harder for other countries to ban made-in-China gear. It will be harder to ban companies like Huawei. That's because they will then become indispensable. If they hold the patent, the world will have to turn to them for future technologies. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.